Cardano is testing a major resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. We just made another 43% this week in terms of trading, as well as this whole dip opportunity. Our Telegram channel has absolutely killed it. If you guys are still thinking about joining, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Cardano analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see, Cardano has hit our take profit level in terms of a major resistance point here at 34 cents. Now, before a lot of you start jumping ahead and assuming the fact that we never called this, feel free to look at our Telegram channel. This was posted yesterday when I mentioned the fact that our target is 34 cents because of the fact that the altcoins are looking for nice breakout formations. Now that Cardano has tested this level, the question of course becomes is whether or not the bulls will try to maintain this 34 cent level as support, and assuming the fact that we could be looking for a much larger short squeeze. Now, keep in mind though, we still have to zoom out of the chart because although we are seeing Bitcoin and Ethereum lead the way in terms of bull rallies, we have to keep in mind that we've seen the same sort of formation here happen before. We had this major drop from all the way up here at 39 cents all the way down to 30 cents, which is why I kept emphasizing the fact that the 30 to 28 cent level is going to be a possible buy opportunity. And you can see that we've been in this situation before where we saw Cardano actually complete this V-shaped formation to 38, and then immediately after, that's when we started to create new lower lows. This is the exact same formation that I'm going to be paying attention to as of right now. Assuming we do see a wick opportunity on Cardano, the overall level of interest would remain at 38, since this is where we started to see those major dumps happen. As soon as we ended up breaking below the 34 cent range, I warned you guys that we have not tested this level as resistance, so I would be waiting for that resistance retest or even the 30 cent level as a retest opportunity before looking for that shorting overall. Now that we've seen Cardano actually hold that midterm support from yesterday as well as over the weekend, we have to keep in mind that although we are trading within a range using the exponential moving averages as support, this is probably the first time after a very long time that Cardano has broken above the EMA lines almost perfectly. Now that we are trading in this range though, the question of course becomes is, was the 30 cent the local bottom, or are we going to be looking for further downside movements? I will show you guys something very interesting here in a second, but for now you'll look at the 4-hour time frame. You'll notice that we are in extreme overbought conditions, so I would be very careful looking for a buy opportunity until we at least go back down and retest the 33 cent range, because our exponential moving averages lay down there. Assuming Cardano does continue to pretty much just have green candles pushing onto the upside without any sort of major pullback, I will be very careful looking for that buy opportunity and actually be looking for shorting opportunities, because this moveset does look extremely manipulated. As soon as we broke above this level, you can see that Bitcoin and Ethereum had some insane rallies, with of course the banking industry crashing today, and this led the crypto market seeing an absolute boom opportunity. In terms of the daily time frame, I talked about this in yesterday's video as well. Look at the level that played out. In yesterday's video, I mentioned the fact that we are looking to retest our exponential moving averages, possibly grab that liquidity and then a stronger continuation to the downside. And you'll notice that we rejected off the 20 EMA as well as this major resistance point. Assuming the daily candle doesn't end up breaking above this level, the deciding factor from the bullish case scenario would be the fact that if we can use the 34 cent level as support, consolidate, and then create a new higher high, then I would be looking for buy opportunities. Otherwise, right now, this is going to be an area of manipulation, and ideally, you don't want to get caught within this trade. But for those of you in the Telegram, you guys saw me take some amazing trade opportunities today, and we made an absolute killing throughout this week. So congratulations to those of you guys that have been following along. For now, though, in terms of Cardano, just because we see a small green candle on the daily time frame doesn't mean that this is the overall perspective. We saw the same sort of formation right over here, as well as the fact that if you go back on previous price analysis, look what happened here on Cardano at 34 cents. We saw the same exact formation. Everyone became extremely bullish, and then they pulled the plug and we create new lower lows. This is why I always tell you guys to put emotions away and focus on what the charts are telling us. And right now the charts are telling us that we were overdue for a short squeeze, which we saw. We had RSI in extreme oversold conditions on the daily time frame as well, but this doesn't invalidate the fact that we could be looking for a possible theory on 20 28 cents, if not even the 23 cents. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.